What is the purpose of political theory? To analyze and interpret political ideas. What does political culture encompass? The shared beliefs and values in a society. What is ideological polarization? Divergence of political attitudes to extremes. What does political consensus indicate? Agreement among political actors. What is a legislative veto? The power of the legislature to reject executive actions. What does political accountability require? Responsiveness of government to citizens. What is ethnic nationalism? A form of nationalism based on shared ethnicity. What does political ideology shape? Worldviews and political behavior. What is public opinion? The collective attitudes of citizens on political issues. What is a political crisis? A situation that disrupts normal political functioning. What does political discourse refer to? Communication among political topics. What is the significance of elections in a democracy? To allow citizens to choose their representatives. What does gender politics study? The role of gender in political processes. What is political corruption? Abuse of power for personal gain. What is the role of the executive branch? To enforce laws. What does civic engagement refer to? Involvement in community and political processes. What is a characteristic of a unitary government? Centralized power. What does political ideology influence? Political behavior and policy preferences. What is the main objective of political science research? To analyze political phenomena. What does democratic backsliding refer to? Decline in democratic norms and practices.